Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Emmanuel Agbogun say cultists don't declare war again for Edo State. He say make the Edo State government do something quick. So make I leave you now, make you hear from Emmanuel Agbogun.
Oh, yes. Good evening once again. I remain no other person than yours, noble right activist, comrade Agbogun Emmanuel. And of course, if you are joining me this very evening, I want you to share today's broadcast. I want you to share today's broadcast because our state is about to witness another secret court war, as the case may be. When I know say anytime all these courts they fight, they go send a war they fight. Meanwhile, as courts wey they be, they see say people from other countries, from other states, they come dey kill our poor mama for villages. They never think am wise to use all these their angels, guns and strength and everything to enter the forest as a freedom fighters, so they say they be, say they fight oppression. They fight those people they call oppress our mama and our papa. My people, if una dey watch me this evening, wherever you are watching me from, whether you dey watch me from abroad or you dey watch me from Nigeria, whether you dey sleep for where you dey for the country or whether you dey awake, I want to say a wonderful good evening from Edo State here to you all, and a wonderful good day to all of you across. So the information we will get tonight, now ogbonge information. You know, say one thing pleases me is that even some of these cultists, some of them are not very willing to ensure that the right thing is done. What they are looking for is that they are looking for the legitimate authority to come out with appropriate measures to ensure that this issue of cultism, this issue of color fight, this issue of supremacy fight wey we don see for Benin, cultism dey every part of the society for this our country wey we dey. Whether na north you dey, they get their own cult. Whether na south you dey, they get their own cult. Whether na Calabar you dey, they get it. Whether na Oyo state you dey, they get their own. Every state get their own, but the way they dey kill for Benin, I no sure say they dey kill all like that for other states. Like Rivers State wey me grow, e get where they do the cultism reach, they come remove am from killing themselves to see how they wanted their next opportunity wey government will take dey empower them, wey be court members. But this our state, they are not talking about empowerment. Their own na to see how they will take gather gun, take begin to kill. And the most painful aspect of this thing be say, why some of them no go even dey Benin, some of them go dey Europe, they go see people wey dey try to wan help themselves, wey dey find way make people take support them, make them start a life. They no go fit call their cause group say, most of una dey well to do, more na dey help the other ones wey never grow, make them fit dey grow. Rather, they go dey put bounty, dey put price tag. Who go fit kill number one for this area, they go give am 200,000. Who go fit kill number one for the other area, they go give am 500,000. It is that bad. It is that bad these days that, in fact, government, whether knowingly or unknowingly, now hire the services of cultists. And for me, and for some of us who think alike, we have this belief that the hottest part of hell, the hottest part of hellfire, is reserved for those persons who they know that when there is moral crisis, when there is ethnic crisis, you decide to keep silent. Martin Luther King na even talk and say, those people who during moral, those leaders who during moral crisis remain neutral, the hottest place in hell shall be their place of abode. So for some of us, as activists who will be for Edo State, as people wey dey conscious of our society, as people wey want make Edo State dey flourish. The other day, some few days ago, I waka pass Rama Park, I see am say despite the fact say we say some of us dey shout say government put street light, I say senator don rush go put street light for there. The place now where all those bad boys dey like to stand, dey snatch handbag, dey do everything, e just reduce overnight. I say once you put light for there, because all these boys dey know them. All these boys wey dey do all these bad things, na our society dey dey. If you see person dey do bad thing wey dey rub for road for your area, you go look and say, ah, na this boy come this side come dey rub, ah, so na so this boy be. That is the truth. But when everywhere dark, how you want to know whether na him dey rub? So having said it this far, my brother, there is fire on the mountain in Edo State. Serious fire on the mountain. But even before I decide to unleash this fire wey dey mountain, so wey dey burn, e get wetin dey touchy to me, wey be say even when security agencies themselves dey catch some of these criminals, the criminals dey make conventional statement. These people dey don confess to be their sponsors, to be the ones wey dey give them arms, they go still leave them make dem dey for streets. They still dey organize themselves to the extent be say some of them na government don dey hire them. You know say the last time, some last week ago, I come out, I come tell una say while their ears and some of them dey complain say their house dey burn, the other side of the areas, the video wey dem dey shoot one of their member, that video dey boil. And I tell una say I go dey observe, because some of us we no dey joke with information. We don understand Edo State to the extent wey be say we know where problem from dey boil, and we know those remedies wey government need, those measures wey government need to take make e stop to dey boil. Just like the other day, we hear say dem say some people lead squad go one community because of land, they go dey beat their fellow members. Because of 1 by 2, they go dey beat their fellow members. Now we don dey get the real information wey dey play out from that matter. And as we dey get the real information wey dey play out from that matter, na so we go take dey let una dey know as we dey unfold. Because the super wey dem say na him be the number one, wey dem say dey go here, dey go there, dey go here, e be like say the guy don dey understand. E be like say some things wey the guy dey even dey wan do na to still stop the bad head. Information don dey ring me from everywhere, but we are still investigating. But I want to believe say that guy, from wetin they don dey tell me, to an extent that guy is a reasonable man. And this is the more reason why government should at this moment bring these people to a round table. People cannot just wake up in the morning in the comfort of their bedroom. The next thing they think after taking all sort of intoxication and toxic substance is to go into the street and begin to look for who wants to kill somebody. You need to see what happened in the Yokoba housing estate the other day, where after some of them went to somebody's house to kill a member of the Aye confraternity, the people in the neighborhood, the people in the Yokoba area axis, they mobilize themselves in numbers. Both Malamo, security, they shout, people come out. Now they hold these boys. Some of them receive the beating of their life. To the extent we say people, as they say the person they shoot down, the mob get vexed, they come use stone. My brother, now some of these videos where I been one post, wey make Facebook block me, suspend me for some hours. So if una dey watch me now, make una try, make una dey share this video, because the more una dey share this video, the more government go know say something dey happen. I don dey for fora for meeting wey governor go say make dem bring information to them. So me, I no need to go waste my time to go dey write letter or to go dey open correspondence with government because I wan dey relevant. No, my social media handle is enough for me to help my society, because I believe so much in the activism of the media, because it disseminates the information very fast. To those people wey dey for abroad, to those people wey dey for Benin, everybody dey get the information immediately. And I wan tell una, make una know one thing: nothing dey pain pass say inside where they catch criminals. We know say prison break recently. Inside where they catch criminals, some of them still come dey escape. Before I go let una hear the declaration wey Aye don declare for Benin now, so because you know say we no dey sleep. Anybody wey dey plan say na bad they wan take follow us for Benin, na God na him go judge them. So as we dey here, so I wan play this interview wey first of all Lenke. Na 8 minutes 32 seconds interview, but I no go fit play all the part of the interview. But if you wan get the full details of that interview, you go ask me for my WhatsApp number for those of una wey dey concerned, because some of these things because of the way our platform people don dey concentrate put Facebook and the report wey people dey report us from many corner wey no like the information wey we dey come out, the truth wey dey come out to come talk. Facebook don dey put they don beep their searchlight on this my platform. So me too, I dey try to wan dey respect the rights and conditions. Even with some of the things wey be say dey pay me for body, I need to put on my platform. Some of these things, if you are my follower, if you dey on my WhatsApp platform, you go fit dey get all this information. So for those of una who go wan still join the WhatsApp platform, we go dey scrutinize una, dey make sure say na people wey be say go fit dey contribute positively to the platform, and people wey be say if dem see information, dem go also spread the information, and then we go invite join this our Edo platform wey we wan take open dey take dey sama ogbonge news for Edo State. Today dem ensure say we dey talk about the bad things, because na only when we fit fight the bad things to reduce na im go make the good ones come up o. Because people when community don spoil, don bad well finish, there is no way the bad things go just allow good begin to overshadow them. No. Now when we decide as a community to fight the bad things come down, na the good ones we fit dey see am for eye. So my people, I wan leave una with this interview for just some 2 minutes or 3 minutes wey Festus Alenke interview one of these criminal wey dey come confess, one of the kingpin of this vigilante for Edo State. Dey come confess am say na him dey even dey give dem gun as chairman. DSS don arrest am, this one don arrest am, that one don arrest am. Now e don dey turn to wetin be say Eye don dey look at say government don dey empower one side of the court pass them. So now they have declared. But before I play that declaration audio more na here, I wan make una still observe wetin dey go on. If somebody like this wey dey don confess as criminal, wey dey don see say e commit crime, dey confess am, why do you allow such person to be a vigilante? That means that the government does not profile them. But that does not also mean say the good thing wey vigilante dey do, they no get their part. In fact, one of the people wey even baba somebody here, na im be this Curtis wey dem dey talk about. That matter wey go viral, dem say somebody go baba person here say no get such power. This matter so na im be one matter wey dey touching relating to that barbing of hair and the characters wey play out for there. This video wey I wan show una so, dem still confess some of the people wey follow go barb the opposition and man wey dey catch, be like say that one go for rolling, go to go thief, or go to go do one killing wey dey catch am. Only God know, I have not been privy to investigate, but the rumor wey dey fly for here na dey tell you so. So watch the video before we continue. So my people, I believe say una don hear the matter as e be. Say even people dey confess, they confess people name, and these people dey confess. One chairman wey dey say dey for Ogbe, I no really know am, even as I take know Ogbe reach. They say na dem dey give the gun. This kind of people dey confess like that. I know say criminal dey repent o, but I no think say na the right thing. Even if the governor get good in ten tion to ensure say the street dey safe, I no believe say na the right thing to dey empower people like this, make dem dey vigilante, because they go dey sabotage, because of their presence they go dey sabotage the in ten tion of the good ones. So for me, I believe say we must trade with caution. I never see any security outfit wey turn out to be very good one for the world, wey be say known criminals, people wey dey don confess criminals, go dey join them. I never see, So as the matter be now, so una don hear, make una still try. Those of una be say una dey on the other side, particularly those wey be Togba, wey be Togberians, make una still try draw the attention of governor. Make dem go dey screen some of these people wey be say no suppose dey for vigilante, make dem screen dem comot. And at least it's not right that you send somebody from Upper to come and be doing vigilante in Rama Park in Ikpobayi, when there are people in Ikpobayi that can keep vigil in their area. What they need is just empowerment. Same way you cannot send somebody to Ugbo while the person lives from Ikpobayi to go and keep vigil. So for me, I believe the governor must have to adopt, it's a good approach, but he must have to adopt modest screening patterns to ensure that those criminal elements, they show them the way out. So because the truth be said, by the time you say Curtis wey dey for vigilante na this one, the other one na this one, even inside the Curtis you go see some of them in group, na here all of them go all be. And the people they always dey catch, we never hear say they catch Aye catch Aye. No be say Aye no dey go dey do all this crime. But the truth be say, since when they catch na so Aye dey catch. Me, I I know they like to rely o. Na wetin my eye see, and everybody waiting for social media too. Una dey join and dey say no be say we dey support one side because the two of them na the same rope tie the two of them. No be only themselves. Man fight Buccaneers, Vikings, Tutu. As they take many for Benin, wey dem dey take dey fight. Sometimes this one go fight this one. Sometimes the other time for Benin na man fight and Eye. Now e come be like say na Aye and Eye wan begin to dey fight. So e don reach the time wey I wan play una the matter so wey dey cause some serious level of threat. And after I go play that one, I go see throw some more light, particularly to security agencies. I believe this video, if una share am well, Commissioner of Police go watch am. Even if I go in office, na the one I go fit talk few minutes, because all of them at times they no dey want dey take the truth wey dey inside issue. They go want to say we are on top of the issue, but when you are telling them the thing that will solve the problem, they would don't want to always neglect it. But however, it's our society. At every instance where we have the opportunity to speak truth to power, we don't fail, we come out, because you say the truth, you die. You don't say the truth, you die. So what stop you from saying the truth and die, if that be the case? So my brother, with the way matter dey go, some of us don come see am say Edo State is no longer safe. Edo State is no longer safe in the sense that now wey be say Eye don declare say dem wan fight. But before I continue, make I first play una this audio more na here. The audio strong o, more na here.
About trial, all best are rugged. This what the waka one. So as I do this voice note, my heart dey heavy. I cry, I shed tears. It's not the year we do for many years for that believe in this one. Maybe say I use an HS now for the content shine the front of vigilante level. Best are rugged. You know, guys in the past. I know if they are there now, so maybe say I can't declare for Benin, but I believe so, since I never hear anybody declare against the vigilante, it is necessary for me to know. But what bestowed on me by Jaco, which should have made me to be an open. Today, I declare war against vigilante. Make best enter street, any vigilante where they see me, they kill them. Anyone they find each other, not send a drop message for you, wait for them. Because, see, I hear that they exist for many years. I don't believe they exist for Nigeria. I'm not talking about don't go to the shine for me. Best, I make the voice note go around, make best go around. Any vigilante they see anywhere they see, make them move them. Most see how they want to contest properly. Best,
So una don hear this WhatsApp audio. It came out about 3 days ago, and after that audio came out, they killed a vigilante who is an Aye with name Maki in somewhere around Kadolo. We are also monitoring information also reaching me that they killed some other ones, but the ones that are verified, the ones that I think have confirmed, is what I'm also coming. I cannot come and give you false information. I don't, no matter what the truth is what I will come out to come and tell you, because I don't. My intention here is to ensure that Edo State move away from this. Let us engage our minds. Because sometimes they pay me say I go see say they say people Nigerian win award, Nigerian turn legislator in the UK. Nigeria as Edo people don travel and they hardly now before our name go come out for one, you go don first count many Yoruba, many Igbo, many rivers before you come dey count Edo. And e no suppose be like that. Our people many for Europe wey dey do well, but because say majority of them are the courtesan side, e come be like say that matter overshadow the good side. So na say Eye don declare war for Benin, and we don dey count the scores dey come. So the truth be said, no be today security agencies don dey call their number one before. They come dey tell them say make dem calm down. Every number one has number one in all the areas that is under him as a number one. So it is high time for Edo State government. My simple advice to immediately call both the vigilante, firstly to show that they are unbiased, because some things dey be say no wan make me talk for this social media, because my brother, if I tell you the truth, some people don even dey point accusing fingers some people don dey point accusing fingers to some persons in government, but some of us know say I don see to come and talk am before say our governor, at least even if people know say I no support the governor, e get some things wey be say I go fit just come and say vouch say this man no be or this man no go do am, but e get some wey say dem say na him do, I say I no worry, na him pattern be that o. But the truth be said, they don't even dey point some fingers to people in government, but I don't want to go into that area this evening because that's not the discussion for today. So if una look am well, Eye don declare war. Very soon na gbegbe we go dey hear gbegbe, they don kill this one, they don kill that one. Even inside where Eye declare war, I wan still tell you wetin I wan still show na a clip of wetin happen for Yokoba housing estate for towards that Iriri houses of Ikpobayi. Sorry, towards that housing estate of Ikpobayi, Iriri Ogege Obayaton Obage axis of that Sapler Rose to Airport Road axis. So see what see.
Roskin Apara discovered so now will you come by here from all over catch all of the right now. So they will catch 4 of the right now. These are not in the carry home. You are looking to all of Sport Caparas now. We catch them. So the German lost the German lost all the way. This is your car. Use your car. You got it. So use car, but not you got to kill people up and down. Look at the car use. Look at it. Criminal. This guy are using now. This guy blocking and they hit the car. You know they are blocking like they're blocking. Who block them? See outside not good. This one is good for inside. We can't get to nice are blocking them. But they're good. See are blocking not good. Some of them are good. They try. Look at the whole outside. The whole of them. Follow up on some of them. All their houses. Look at them. They try. Yeah, look at the losses only on the way. And Chairman he lost on the way. Look at this. Yeah, the vigilante that can't you know. Look at the vigilante. Look at everywhere. Look at
I tell you guys saw what happened. They held some of these people. Now, very briefly, there's something that has been very touchy, disturbing me. Because I said before I will come out for this night broadcast, who will come deliver a message, we must still advise the security agencies. Something happened, a very drastic way. We say another day now I will discuss the matter, but I just want to show the clip for this our today evening broadcast. Now, this clip I want to show now. This one person house where they go key, one of the courts where they go key. The people go kill them for the community, they go burn their house. You can see the house very well here. Somewhere around Iriri, they go burn one of the courts their house. Now, this court is the ego key. If you now look very well, I no go like one play this thing for long to avoid it. This video gets some very scary moves, but I want to show now the essence. Some of I don't watch and I go see the essence where they beat some of these boys who go do that killing. Now, the girl thing I want to show now be the process. See as they beat. When I go say that they beat some of these boys, now still cab, now they use. But this video I go just only plan for only just 6 seconds, then I remove them. Mokuna watch. Mona see, you see I say they stone these people then to death. Police constantly carry them. Inside when police they carry them, I don't know why they say this kind of jungle justice. No matter what they do, at least courts they there. So the advice we want give police, we say make them know they try to support people who want to do this jungle justice. There's still a process that should be respected. Our judicial process should not be, seen to be a mockery or a sort of child's play, or not to be seen to be for preferential criminals, as the case may be. If this kind of jungle justice is what we want, I could remember how some of my friends in River State, even when they were not courtists, they were misidentified because they went clubbing with somebody who was a known courtist. In the process, the person had told them to escort him not knowing that they were going to drag money for something. So when a fight came out, Tekena was so in the middle of it that he could not run. The community came there and mopped them up, and that was how they were burnt to death in Uniport. So for me, I dislike anything Jungle Justice, because this is somebody I went to school with, secondary, and I know his credentials, I know his potentials while in school, and he was just killed. So since that time, I don't support anything Jungle Justice. All these things are going on in Benin, but some of these things you people cannot see them on social media because of the community regulations of Facebook. If not, these were some of the videos I wanted to post that led to the blockade of my account for over 24 hours. Before I realized was when I wanted to come up live, when I had previously announced that I was going to be live. So most of these things, police, I beg, if una reach crime, they don't catch criminal. Make una no allow me to just mob them, kill them. I know at times the people might want to show some level of stubbornness. Please, people should devise a means. The issue of Jungle Justice, if allowed to be a recurrent decimal in our society, it will not speak volume of the activities and the presence of security agencies in the state. To tell una how this don still take bad reach to, inside the police eye dey, inside the police aye dey, inside the police many cultists. So this thing na wetin we as a society we need to come together, put ourselves together, say no, it's time to stop it. Because now so wey eye don declare, say if they kill this one this other side, their boys must arrange to go kill back. And most people dey do this thing, if you look them, they no even really say they go university. Some of them, you go see them 17 years, 16 years, bus conductor, keke napep driver, agbero. They are the ones just giving our street and our society a bad name. I don't know why these young people cannot come together to fight for a cause that would better their life, rather than something that they would do. I really don't know. It pains me. It pains me, frankly speaking. When young boys supposed to come together to the plan how they want to advance their living standard, they just want to fight over supremacy. A girl can cause war in Benin. Girlfriend pepper soup pour me, or you waka match me, it can cause a full-blown war, secret court war in Benin. So my people, wetin make me come out this evening, now I see the tell una, war don come out for town. Security agencies, una fair dey call them before. As una call them this time, una tell them say every number one is liable for a number one that die in any area. If they go kill number one of anybody for any area, all the number one in that area must be arrested and held accountable. Not until when government begin to do am like that, Edo State no get peace. In Ikpobayi now, police know all the number one in Ikpobayi. In Aduwawa, police know all the number one in Aduwawa. In all the areas, security agencies, DSS, they know. So the best thing is that government should begin to hold all the number one liable. If a number one come allow people to come and kill somebody in this area, if he cannot provide the people, he will be held liable. Not until when government gazette a law like that, we are only making a child's play and coming out to shout. Because I have looked at this thing very closely. That is the only solution. Once you begin to catch them, every other person will run. They will run to other states where they are not killing in those states. And let me see whether if they run to those states, they will come and start killing there. And whether the people in the states will allow killing to become their way of life. So my conscious Edo people, na how Edo State want it better. We need to talk about infrastructure now. We need to talk about the vices wey be say we citizens na in the cause am. So my people, abeg, and to our executive governor of Edo State, all of una and our security agencies, all of una swear to protect life and property. For the fact say Mugu no gree get sense say he na Mugu and he need to stop to dey kill him brother because of cultism, that one no mean say our security agencies dey go still fold hand. Dey allow these illegalities to dey strive. So not until when we don decide, government and the security agencies don decide to dey hold all the number one for all the area, we are not going to get it right. So na there for today, this court matter, secret court matter, eye wey dey vigilante now, the ones wey no dey, they don declare war. So make the people wey be say give them the authority to do vigilante, and the ones wey be say know the people wey be cultists for the town wey never fit call them to order from time immemorial. So na them we come talk to this evening. Abeg make una do the number one thing. Every number one in every area is answerable to the general number one. So if the general number one dey kill somebody in that area, the general number one cannot bring the number one in that area under him, he will be held liable. If by the time the general number one bring the number one, the general number one, if he is not the one that give them the order, he should be allowed to go. The other number one in that area should provide the people that kill. If not, we are only joking. So this is not only to these two courts court group I'm talking about, applicable to all the court groups in Edo State, all the secret court groups. And before I end this talk of courtism, before I talk small on my own matter, before I leave, our youth more na see dey use eye dey look. Some of our papa dem, some of them na Ogboni, some na Freemason, some na pirate, some they belong to lodge. They get different, some na Sipoka, some na Sigiri, some they get different injuries wey dey dey. Una don ever see them when they go dey kill themselves? Why e be say na we wey be say we be youth? They don already live their life finish o. But why e be say na we wey be youth, na we go dey get issue amongst ourselves? That one na the reason why I wan leave, make people wey dey watch make dem take ask their younger brothers question for house, because no be only government go dey give the tax. People wey be these cultists wey dey go kill their mama dey see dem say dem hold gun. I don dey one community before, one boy wey im mama dey cook, he just say say all this im cut to size, e don take wey im oil dem, he just pack all of them come out for house. Your mama say abeg make you carry that thing go one corner, I no wan see am. I say you no wan see am abi, go hold your pikin say who give am gun make you carry am go police make you go talk. All those ones na so dem take dey hate crime. So both our parents, both our sisters, our brothers wey dey for uptown and the ones wey dey for Edo State, this issue of cultism, e must be everybody business to fit stop am because the number of people wey don die, just imagine our brother for Ikadolo wey dey go na know say we dey talk him matter say dey kill, na cultists dey go kill am and the boy no be even be cultist. So very painful. So the way we don talk the ogbonge matter reach for this evening, all of una know, our people, you all are aware that some of us are into C of O and survey. Please, if you want to do your C of O, you need survey. And if you have gotten your C of O, your survey, you want to do your C of O, some of us are here to process it for you. Process it for you genuinely. Even if you want to buy land and you don't want to be a victim of multiple, land buying or relocation of land buying. When you buy land and relocate, you say you never know. If you buy through us, we will supervise and we are here to ensure say that your land stand firm. Nobody follow you drag am for whichever community you dey for Edo State. So before we leave today broadcast, I wan still let una know, say for those of una wey from wey go buy land for this community, Ewosan wey wahala dey, wey Church of God Mission get land, if una know say na una be one of the victims for there, make una still call us. Church of God Mission already open way to una to take resolve una matter there if una know say una get land. So please, una know say the last time we go interview, some people come see dey misinterpret and say we dey go support one side, we no wan support the other side. No, I don't know whether Clement Edegbe sold land or bought land. What is my business in this matter is that those people who bought legitimately with their sweat, with their hard-earned money, their lands are not, deprived of them. Their lands are not, their money is not just, thrown into a ghost mode. They have value for what they paid members of that allotment committee or CDA body or community body, as the case may be. Now that won't be my interest. So I dey hear today say many people dey shout my name for social media. Please, I don't have time for anything saga. As I dey talk to you, so no sense na this kind of time I dey do live video. I don observe say complaints of Edo people wey be say their land na CDA people dey swindle them of their money. How I want to help them recover that land na im be my utmost priority this season. I don talk am say some of us wan dey assist those of our people wey get issues with land wey dem wan buy. No be need to come dey talk about the problem. We still dey try in our own way to render the best solution, and thus far we don fit resolve over many. Even tomorrow we are still going all out after survey jobs in the morning to resolve one or two issues of land dispute. So na this ogbonge issue na we dey, and for those of una wey don call us, wey we tell una say the land document wey una get, make una send us the WhatsApp, make una send us the YouTube, make una send us the land document for WhatsApp, make una ensure say una send the land document, the person wey una buy the land from, im phone number, and the name of the community, their phone number also. If una get the chairman or the vice or the enoge number or the odion number, send am. Na the only way we wan take help una. No be say you come call me, you go wan use 30 minutes of my time take dey narrate how your uncle take go buy land for you, how your uncle no come take know say they don resell the land. All those questions no matter. The major thing is say make we get the information of your problem. When we don see the problem, na we go even ask you say see wetin happen. We see the people, we go call them on your behalf. When we don hear from them, then we go advise you on the best way to go about am. So na im be the issue wey we dey into now, as a part of our advocacy, because we see am say our people dey suffer a lot on that angle and on that aspect of our way of life for Edo State. So the much I don fit talk today, na the much I fit talk. I know say some of una don dey tell me say Aibogun, abeg when you talk finish, try to open your line make we fit dey contribute for your platform, because we also dey watch and we also get wetin we wan see talk, our own contribution. Abeg no be this night. Tomorrow broadcast will be for calling in. So abeg, the much information wey we don put for here, na wetin una need to do for us be say make una still try, make una share this information, make una still dey love this broadcast, and the more una dey do am, na the more we go still dey encourage us to dey to dey do more, to still dey encourage us to dey ensure say we no give up on this struggle. So my people, I want to thank una again, and for those of una wey say una just dey na EPM politics matter, na dey feel say politics has come and gone. Now we are into the issue of governance, and where problem dey na where we wan dey render solution, na where we wan dey talk about, so that the good wey we dey benefit for this our area go become the order of the day rather than the bad. So my people, I don talk reach the junction wey I wan for stop. So if you know say you dey with me here and you dey with us since this broadcast start, abeg press your hand for the like button and also type goodbye so that I go fit acknowledge una before we comot. Please show me some likes. Yes, my people. Freshly Ofu Gyame, I see you. Max Dandon, I see you. Queen Eige, I see you. Collins Boss Omoro, I see you. Yaya Abdulaziz, I see you. Isede, I see you. Uyi Udo Edo, I see you. Abemona dey tap baba, na be every day me go just waka leave una without also hearing from una. So make I see hear from una this night small. Prince Emmanuel Ibrahim, I see you. Andre Bolong, I see you. Jackson Chimason, I see you. Abacha Oboho, I see you. Collins Boss Omoro, I see you. Peter Robosa, I see you. Kings Omori asking for my WhatsApp number, I see you. Good night to you, Ocha, I see you, boy, I see you. Efe Osasu, I see you. Edwin Solomon, I see you. Unbreakable Boss Lady, I see you. Uye do again, I see you. So abeg una good night. For those people wey no fit still call their names, I say am say the viewing strength don drop from 227 from 386 to 227. So abeg we wan to leave una this night. Make una no forget, the earlier una share this video, it can assist in saving lives and informing the relevant authority of what needs to be done. Remember, social media is an avenue for us to get information. Make una still try to dey write to Facebook on our own. Dey comment face my wall for the good work wey we dey do, because una go agree with me say most of una dey get ogbonge information from this platform. And secondly again, una go agree with me say some of una through this platform too, problems wey una get, we still dey render solution to am. Once again, I remain no other person than your Noble Right activist. Remember, anybody can be a victim once you are a cultist. Your brother, your sister, your cousin, your uncle that is a cultist is also a victim and can also be a victim. So please, let us put hands together to end this menace called cultism in our society. Na me they call Comrade Aigbogu Emmanuel, yours Noble Right activist, the man wey dey always dey try to ensure say he stand on the path of truth no matter who is affected. Once again, una good night. Bye for now.
Now we don't hear from Emmanuel Agbogun, let us know what you think for comment section. And before you go, make you help us share this video. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. So make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share it. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.